What's going on, everyone? My name is Matthew. I am a professional video editor, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On here, you will come across a whole set of tutorials pertaining to media-related topics with a particular focus on Adobe Premiere Pro. I'll be honest with you guys, Adobe Premiere Pro is my bread and butter, but with that being said, that won't be my only focus. I'm going to do a whole range of tutorials. These videos will be paced and edited in a way to ensure for a relaxed viewing experience. Additionally, I'll also be providing YouTube short versions of my tutorials if applicable. So if a quicker pace floats your boat, that will be the way to go. Regardless of your expertise level, I think each and every one of my videos will have something useful to you. Whether you're an expert in the field or just a beginner trying to get your feet wet, I think each and every one of my videos will be of good use for you. As my content begins to expand, I definitely would encourage all of you to engage in the comments below. Is there a specific topic you would like me to address? Is there something that I touched upon in a previous video made that you would like me to expand upon? And in addition, guys, I'm also open to feedback. Any suggestions that you may have to make my videos better. Is there something in my tutorials that's not quite working for you? Or do you like what I have been putting together? Your feedback will be invaluable in shaping the content I create for you guys. Listen, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and look out for more videos in the near future.